Hello students, in previous videos of chapter 2 we have learnt about the introduction of maps, history of maps, how to draw a map. Now in today's lecture we will learn about the types of maps. We all have boundaries and fences around our homes, isn't it? As you can see here, in these houses have boundary and fence. So what these boundaries and fences do? They separate our area and our neighbor's area so that we can take care of the area on our side of the fence while our neighbors can take care of the area on their side of the fence. Similarly, entire earth has been divided into a number of countries so that we all can take care of our country and our area, and every area is properly taken care of. So, you see, this is how our earth actually looks. But for our convenience, we humans divide it into a number of countries like this. See, there are boundaries everywhere. All the countries have boundaries everywhere, which are called borders. Now, what happens is, these boundaries are decided by the government of that particular country and the neighboring countries. So, this is how entire earth is divided. And we see this in the form of a map. Now we see different types of maps. There are two main types of maps, thematic maps and scale based maps. Thematic maps are divided into two main sections, which are cultural maps and natural maps. Further division of cultural map is political, industrial and historical. And natural maps are divided into climatic, astronomical and topographical. And if we take a look at a scale based map, there are also two types, large scale and small scale. Large scale is further divided into district, village or city map. Small scale maps are divided into world, country map or the map of atlas. Now what is thematic map? Thematic map focuses on the special variability of a specific distribution or theme, such as population density or average annual income. Climate map focuses on the details of climate, temperature, rainfall, winds, etc. The map which outlines the man-made details is called natural maps. This map outlines various human activities. The map of state, farming, population, transportation are the example of cultural maps. The map which shows the details of continent, country, local administration and their frontier are called political maps. The map which shows history of regional and national administration is called a historical map. Information about celestial bodies like planets, satellites, galaxies, constellations, etc. are shown in the astronomical maps. This map shows the details of industrial sector, phased history of the industries, production, etc. Landscape like mountains, plateaus, plains, waterways, etc. are shown in this type of map called topographic map. I hope you have understood the types of map, and today we are completing the chapter 2. Thank you.